Hey guys, welcome back to Clockwise Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Let's dive right into it. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin still pulling back. Big candles on the daily time frame. Going to the weekly time frame, as you know, that's where we analyze the most on Bitcoin. And looking here, we do have somewhat of a kangaroo tail on the weekly time frame. You see this red candle. This ended up forming as a kangaroo tail. If you don't know what a kangaroo tail is, you can take a look. Just Google it. Kangaroo tail technical analysis. You'll see examples of this. It's typically a bearish candle. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but typically we like to lean on the side of a kangaroo tail. Sorry, I said kangaroo candle, but kangaroo tail is pretty much you have the wick and then the body, and the wick's greater than the body to one side, giving you almost a directional bias of where price is heading. Now, if you look at the stochastic, and I'll pull the screen over a little bit so you can see the stochastic is looking bearish, but you do see it's not heading in a straight line down. So just be on point. We are keeping our charts the way they are. We have not changed them despite the call outs, the shout outs, thinking that we're crazy. This is what we're holding to, guys, until further notice. Now you see the line at 48.2, it went right up there and rejected. So I think it's safe to say that that is a good level of resistance. Okay. Now, the only thing is you need to pay attention to, and we're paying attention to, is this $40,000 level. Now, we will mark this, and I'm going to mark this here just so everyone's on the same page. Okay. I don't necessarily want to make it across the entire chart. Let's do a trend line, and I'll just make it here. And just so you guys can pay attention to this level. I do think this is a critical level, and I think psychologically it is as well. So we're going to mark this here. The coordinates. It has 40,006 is where we have it now. I'm comfortable with that, only because I like the touches. I like the touches to the wicks when we're mapping out zones. I like when price actually goes to that point and respects it and bounces off of it. It's almost like a confirmation of support for me. So this is a major level of support right here. I'm not going to drag it across the entire chart and make it all crazy, but I do think it should be respected, this level. I think this level should be respected, and so we can see what's going to happen. So based off of the weekly time frame, we'll see what we do this week. Are we going to break that level, or are we going to bounce, break or bounce? That's pretty much the name of the game for the past couple months, break or bounce. So with that being said, we will continue to follow this. I just wanted to spend some time with you guys and really just dive into, the market. So even looking at CoinMarketCap, taking a look at CoinMarketCap, everything is pretty much pulling back, which is a good sign to continue to accumulate. We did take a look at the fear greed last time we dived into the markets, and we haven't really been covering news a lot. So I would like to, I've been staying away from the news and just going off of pure technicals and if the ETF got approved. That's pretty much been my thing. Did the ETF get approved and the technicals? So haven't dived into much of anything else. But if we take a look at the fear greed, we are nearing that range. We're getting yellow. So when I told you guys, I'm not buying in the green. Okay, so all this FOMO that was happening since October, I may have dollar cost average a little bit, maybe, but I love buying when we're yellow or red. I love that. That's when things are on sale. You see like projects like Gala Games it's like 2 cents, right? Steal. So love that. Love what's going on. Of course, I'm bullish long term, guys. Of course, I'm bullish. I read the comments sometimes. Of course, I'm bullish long term. There's no question about it. Long term, crypto is bullish. I do think there is opportunity this year. I think you have this year for massive opportunity. Crypto fear greed index. People are on the fence now. Let me just say this. If we break this level, if we break 40,000 what is it? What am I saying? 40. I said 40,000, but technically, let's say 40,006 based on the wicks. So that rhymes. 40,006 based on the wicks, and it's legit based on the wicks, guys. So based on the wicks, that's why we have it here, the touches, and on the daily, it's even more clear why we have it there, the touches. So 40,006. If it breaks there, you best believe what's going to happen. People are going to go in. This is going to be red. Yeah, it's already yellow. It's going to be red. People are going to freak out. And that's going to cause just the pullback. And then here's a good idea. We'll see if it happens. Then we won't look as crazy when we talk about pulling back to the trend line. We're not going to look as crazy anymore when our chart's going to look on point. So we'll see what happens. I am a little bit concerned about the fact that we're already oversold on the daily. I am paying attention to that. I'm not completely out of whack, but I am paying attention to it. I do realize we're already oversold on the daily, and looking here, we're already weekly time frame. We are not oversold on the weekly, so that's something to pay attention to. So we're going to keep you guys updated. I just wanted to check in and give you that update, guys. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.